Here's how you can properly fix and optimize the mobile view on your Shopify store. The first thing you need to do is log into your Shopify dashboard. Once you're inside, go to the left-hand menu and click on Online Store, then select Customize. This will open the Shopify theme editor, which is where you'll make all your visual changes. By default, the editor loads in desktop mode, but since most visitors browse from their phones, you need to switch to the mobile preview. To do that, simply click the mobile icon at the top right corner. Now you're looking at exactly what your customers will see when they visit your store from a mobile device. From here, go through each section one by one: your header, homepage banner, product sections, images, text blocks, and buttons. When you click any section, Shopify gives you separate settings for mobile. For example, if you click on a section like image with text, you'll often see options such as mobile alignment, mobile image crop, mobile layout order, and padding adjustments. This is extremely helpful because you can position text differently on mobile without affecting your desktop layout. A great tip is to adjust the text size for mobile. Sometimes your desktop headings look perfect but appear oversized on mobile. Many themes allow you to set a smaller mobile font size or spacing specifically for phones. If your theme doesn't allow it directly, you can use custom CSS inside the theme settings to fine-tune spacing or sizing. Another important thing to check is your images. Make sure your banner and product photos aren't getting cut off in weird ways. Some themes let you choose how images behave on mobile. For example, adapt to image, fill screen, or crop center. Test each option and choose the one that displays the main part of your image clearly. You also want to check the order of elements. On desktop, your image may appear on the left and text on the right, but on mobile, it might stack in a different order. Many Shopify themes let you reverse the layout on mobile so that the text appears first, which usually improves readability. Next, check your buttons. On mobile, buttons need to be larger and easier to tap. Make sure your call to action buttons are centered, visible, and not too close to the edges. If anything looks too tight or squeezed, adjust your margin and padding settings inside the section options. Once you're done fine-tuning each section, go through your entire website by scrolling from top to bottom in the mobile preview. Check your homepage, product pages, collection pages, and even your footer. Make sure everything looks clean and consistent. When you're satisfied with the mobile layout, click Save. These changes will now apply specifically to mobile users without affecting your desktop site. And that's how you properly fix and optimize the mobile view of your Shopify store. Taking a few minutes to adjust your mobile layout can significantly increase your sales because more than half of online customers browse from their phones. A clean mobile experience equals more conversions. Happy selling.